What's up guys, today I'm going to be walking you through how to actually use Zoom. So we're going to be covering the setup, advanced features and integrations. So first, simply download and install Zoom on your computer or mobile device. And once you're done, you can then open the app, then sign up or log in and you're ready to start. So to host a meeting, simply click New Meeting, and if you want to join one, you can simply click Join and enter the meeting ID or link. So for advanced features, simply check out screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, breakout rooms, and meeting recordings. You can also use polls, reactions, and chat to make your meetings interactive. Finally, Zoom also integrates with apps like Google Calendar, Outlook, Slack, and Trello, so you can actually schedule and join meetings seamlessly from your favorite tools. And that's it. So you're now all set to use Zoom like a pro, whether it's for school, work, or personal use. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we will see you on the next one.